Hello everyone, our today's video is going to be about neck rejuvenation. I'm going to tell you how to rejuvenate your neck, normalize the mobility of your neck, going to tell you which exercises can be harmful to your neck and which alternatives are healthy. If you're working at a computer or have a low activity lifestyle, you must probably have problems in all areas of your spine. Today we are going to talk about the neck because it affects the usefulness of our face. But apart from aesthetics, it's quite common that people have pain in their neck. They usually appear as a result of a wrong body posture. For example, if you're watching TV or reading a book while laying down, work at your computer in the wrong posture, sleep in an uncomfortable position, or as a result of stress. Stress causes overcontraction of your muscles, and those muscles block blood circulation. In the end, all the tissues get less nutrients. They dehydrate and shrink with time. It also affects spinal discs. So please comment below this video if you have pain in your neck, and if so, how do you deal with it? In order to get rid of neck problems, it's crucial to watch your body posture. It's also super important to choose the right pillow for your sleep. It shouldn't be super big, but it should also follow the natural bands of your body. Another tip would be to always stay warm. In the morning, it would be helpful to do a slight neck massage. It will improve nutrition and therefore your skin tone, loosen your neck muscles, improve blood and lymph circulation. We're going to start off with deep, sliding motions, starting at the side of your neck. And massage through the back side of your neck. Massaging the trapezius muscles in order to loosen them. You can do it on one side at a time, working with the opposite hands. After that, we are going to slowly warm up your neck. Turn your head side to side like you're trying to look behind your shoulders. Do it very gently and slowly. Now we are going to bend your neck side to side. The most important part of this exercise is stretching of the side muscles of your neck. It means that your upper ear should be facing the ceiling. Very smoothly and gently. Feeling how the side muscles of your neck are stretching out. Another exercise to stretch out the back side of your neck. Put your hands on the back of your head and put some slight pressure on your head. Don't put too much pressure on your head. Do it very slowly and gently. Feeling how the back side of your neck is stretching out, and stay in this position for about 20 seconds. And now I want to tell you about a couple of dangerous exercises that you think are actually helpful for your neck. The first exercise is doing circles with your head, because many of you might not be aware of the problems that you have on your neck, such as unstable vertebra, displacement of your vertebra, or simply weak neck muscles. Instead, turn your head side to side and bend your neck side to side. All of those exercises should be done very slowly and gently, focusing on the stretching of the muscles. the same way as I showed you at the beginning of this video. The next unsafe exercise is bending your neck backwards. Here's a healthy alternative. Place your hands behind your head, lifting up the backside of your head and your chin. Your hands are keeping your head in a healthy position. And don't let your head fall backwards. While doing this exercise, make sure that you're pulling the back of your head upwards. And feel how the whole spine is stretching out. Stay in this position for 20 seconds. And the second healthy alternative. For that, roll your towel and put it at the back side of your neck. Pull it a little bit to the front and do some very gentle waving motions. Another exercise that can be very dangerous is standing on your head. So even if you're just suspecting some problems in your neck, I would not recommend doing it. And there is no alternative to it. Another exercise that can be unhealthy is stretching out your neck too much. Here, it's rather important to focus on your shoulders, bringing your shoulders backwards and down. And while doing that, pull the back of your head upwards. Stay in this position for several seconds, then release and repeat it again. Bring your shoulders to the back and down, and pull the back side of your head upwards. And you will be feeling how the neck muscles are stretching out. And now I want to share a little trick that is going to be helpful while working on your computer or looking at your phone. It's a cervical collar. It is normally used in medicine to treat the problems of your neck. It keeps your head in the right position and relieves pressure from the neck muscles. The main principle of its work is that it fixates in place all the vertebrae of your neck and keeps them in physiologically right position. While wearing it, you are unable to turn your neck side to side or bend it up or downwards. So while you're wearing it, your spine is being relaxed and all the pressure from your head is going on your shoulders. This collar can normalize the state of your neck and also might give you a good habit of keeping your head straight. And this is not an ad or anything, it's just my helpful life hack for you. You look great. Wait, it reminds me of something. Ah, you're right! Now I remember. I guess that's why they all had such good body posture back then. It also helps lifting a double chin, forming a beautiful jawline. It removes cramps and improves blood and lymph circulation. As a result, you get less swelling and better skin tone. Oh, wait. Another thing it reminds me of is the old officer uniform with a high collar. Shall we maybe continue? You or your kids can wear this collar only in situations in which you're not moving too much or putting too much pressure on your neck. I know that this collar is mainly used for more severe problems with your neck, but you can also use it for beauty and rejuvenation of your face and neck. If it's chosen correctly, it should not be uncomfortable for you to wear it. Your chin should be relaxed. It's laying on your collar parallelly to the floor. It's crucial to consult with a specialist to choose the right size of your collar. Even though it's such a cool life hack, there are some contradictions to it. Those can be some injuries in your neck or skin problems. Therefore, I would recommend consulting a specialist at first. You should wear it for maximum 2 hours per day, and I would recommend splitting those 2 hours in half-an-hour sections. So in the morning, you gently warm up your neck, then put a collar for half an hour to fixate the results, got your neck in the right position and went to work. In the evening, got back home, put the collar on to remember the right position of your neck and commented about your results under this video. I hope it was useful for you, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell.